The Book of Ezra, found in the Old Testament of the Bible, is a historical and religious text that tells the story of the Jewish people's return to Jerusalem from Babylonian exile and the rebuilding of the temple. It is divided into two main parts. The first part focuses on the return under Zerubbabel, and the second part of the reforms and return under Ezra. The book begins with King Cyrus of Persia issuing a decree that allows the Jewish exiles in Babylon to return to Jerusalem and rebuild the temple, which had been destroyed by the Babylonians. This decree fulfills the prophecy of Jeremiah and highlights the providence of God in allowing the Jews to return to their homeland. The first part of the book focuses on Zerubbabel, a descendant of King David, who leads a group of exiles back to Jerusalem. Upon their return, they face opposition from the neighboring Samaritans and other groups who seek to hinder the reconstruction efforts. Despite these challenges, Zerubbabel and his companions persevere and manage to lay the foundation of the Second Temple. This part of the book emphasizes the importance of faith, determination, and unity in the face of adversity. The second part of the book introduces Ezra, a priest and scribe, who arrives in Jerusalem several decades later during the reign of King Artaxerxes. Ezra is described as a devout and knowledgeable scholar of the law of Moses. He is tasked with ensuring that the Jewish community in Jerusalem follows the religious laws and traditions of their ancestors. Ezra discovers that some of the Jewish people in Jerusalem have intermarried with foreigners, which goes against the commandments of God. He calls for a gathering of the people and delivers a passionate speech, urging them to repent and separate from their foreign wives. This act of purification and renewal symbolizes the importance of maintaining the purity of the Jewish faith and identity. Ezra also initiated a comprehensive reform of religious practices, emphasizing the importance of the Torah as the foundation of Jewish life and worship. He leads the people in the public reading and teaching of the Torah, ensuring that the law of Moses becomes central to their religious observance. The Book of Ezra concludes with the dedication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem, a momentous occasion marked by joy and celebration. The return from exile and the completion of the temple represents the restoration of the Jewish people's relationship with God and their homeland.